Hello and welcome to Word Warehouse. In today's lesson, we're going to learn the irregular verb wear. We'll look at its meaning, its three forms, and the different ways we use it in everyday English.
We'll also look at some useful expressions and the difference between wear and put on.
Let's get started.
The verb forms wear, wore, worn. Wear means to have clothes, shoes, accessories, or other things on your body. It can also mean to use something until it becomes damaged or less effective. Examples: I usually wear jeans to work. She always wears glasses. He wears a watch every day. I'm wearing my new jacket today.
What are you going to wear to dinner tonight? I'm going to wear the blue dress. What are you wearing to dinner tonight? I'm wearing the blue dress.
She's wearing a beautiful dress. I wore a suit to the wedding. She wore her favorite shoes yesterday. What did you wear to the party? I've worn this jacket many times. She's never worn high heels before. I've worn these glasses for years. I haven't had to wear my coat yet this year. I had worn the same shoes for years before I bought a new pair. I'll wear my new shoes tomorrow. Don't worry, I'll wear something warmer. I had never worn a bracelet or a gold ring to a party before. I was wearing a face mask on the bus. I wear a hat when it's very sunny. We commonly use wear with wear clothes and accessories. Wear a shirt. Wear a dress. Wear jeans. Wear shoes. Wear a hat. Wear glasses. Wear a watch. Wear jewellery. Wear perfume. Wear makeup. Wear and put on are often confused, but they describe different things. We use put on for the action of putting clothes or other things on your body, while wear describes having them on. For example, you put on a hat, but you wear a hat. You put on a suit, but you wear a suit. You put on a shirt, but you wear a shirt. And you put on your shoes, but you wear your shoes. Dress means to put clothes on yourself or to get dressed. I dressed quickly this morning. Put on describes the action of putting a particular piece of clothing on your body. I put on my shirt and shoes. Although you'll usually see wear used with clothes, shoes, glasses, jewelry, and other things we have on our bodies, it can also mean to become damaged through use over time. For example, my shoes have worn out after years of use. I need to replace my tires because they're completely worn out. The writing on the sign has worn away over the years.
Before we finish, remember the pattern: wear, wore, worn. This is the same pattern we find in other irregular verbs such as bear, bore, born, and swear, swore, sworn. Once you recognize these patterns, irregular verbs become much easier to remember. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.